into the planets.
Yeah.
So Venus, like I said, is the brightest.
Yeah.
Jupiter's the next brightest.
Yeah.
And that one that's red that you can barely see right there.
Oh, yeah, I see him all the way over there.
That's
All right, guys. So we, after that,
Man, let me Google it. Somebody Google that, man. See if he know what he's talking about, man.
we're gonna resume racing. This is
somebody Google that, man.
Coming up right now. We want to give these guys a proper track that they
Bill
deserve.
Nye the Science
This
Guy.
is your Summit Pro Street
I don't know.
Outlaw
Who is
semifinal.
Bill
Jesse
Nye? I don't even
Hernandez
know him.
He's an old. He's
He's
actually a
and
card-carrying
Jeremy
actor
Carter
for
versus
the Screen
Alan
Actors
Pryor.
Guild.
In the final,
He
Jeremy
acts
having lane
as a
chase.
scientist on television
Jesse
to teach
will take his
what
viral.
the controllers want him to
Well, or will it? He might just
share.
turn on the bulbs and take the tree. I don't know.
Okay.
Let's see.
Let me see what he
So some people think he was a real scientist, but he's not.
Oh, he
Watch
was?
No, just like Donald Trump was a card-carrying.
Dang, that thing running. A 207?
miles an hour.
That thing running.
69 miles an hour.
Pretty good light for
Like Donald
Mr.
Trump was a
Green there.
card-carrying
Nice pull.
card-carrying member of the Screen Actors Guild. The Screen Actors Guild is a union, so you can't. The only way to be in that clique is you got to join in it. You know, I mean, why do you think there's secret societies and there's other hierarchies within society?
Yeah.
So that these people can operate, and they think they're above the law. They think they're better than everyone else.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh,
So
okay.
when you
All right, folks, here we go.
because again, if somebody's an actor, that means they're playing the avatar of something else constantly.
Super fast drag race, and that one goes to Jeremy Carter.
that was
203 takes out the 213.
Look at him.
You know him. Side by side drag race.
That dude.
Alan had him off the tree. Jeremy had to drive around him, and he does so.
But he's with
and goes to the
BMF
finals.
truck.
Oh,
Face
yeah.
Jesse Hernandez. It'll be Oklahoma.
Man, I knew
versus
Oklahoma.
Texas.
I think they're going to win.
In the Pro Street.
Probably.
They got the
Outlaw.
fastest
Because the
one.
next one, or
We'll
that
be
first
back
one was
in
a
a little
bye, and so then it's just those next two. So maybe the next 5-10 minutes is the crown the winner.
Oh, I can go and zip my jacket up
everybody stay
now.
off the track. We're not
Somebody
gonna-
talking about I got a
we're not gonna
onesie
do
on.
it.
Oh, that
You
Rob
guys have,
suit, Mike.
Man, you got a pimp suit on in
Man,
terms of a work suit.
man, here, show him one time.
Show him, man.
We'll start the clock.
Check my man out here. Look at right there. There you go.
I don't
Got
see
that.
cars on the track,
He's
so
fly. He's fitted, man. Come on.
Everything good. Look at this,
Look,
man.
you
I
got
got
his stuff going.
Look at this big old charge.
10:20,
I bet they can't carry one. Oh, God, I can't. Oh, I can't. I can't get it out of my pocket. It's so much. I can't get it out. But man, I got a big charger in there, man. I got a big charger in there, man.
Custom.
It's tripping.
There we go. It's good stuff.
Uh-oh. Come on, buddy. That ain't no charger. Yeah. I got that mug in there charging up pretty good. I'm charging up the gimbal and the phone at the same time. Phone then got up to 36%. Gimbal is pretty much fully charged, just draining up some juice for no reason. And I ain't cold at all. Only thing cold a little bit is my face. That's why I'm finna get me some lookout ski masks. I'm gonna have a lookout ski mask, lookout beanies. I'm gonna do everything gonna be lookout. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, everything gonna be. I'll be walking around. Excuse me. I'll be walking around, and I got some shorts on up under here, and I promise you, I ain't nowhere near cold. Like, ooh, look at him right here, man. Look out, man. How you doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm having a good time. Y'all got a car here today too? Or y'all just looking?
No, we're looking.
You came from Summit, you?
Yeah, we came over to come to Summit.
Oh, okay. What y'all order some parts for a car or something?
just looking.
Oh, y'all just looking in there too? They got some stuff in there, huh? It make you want to buy something.
You flying your drone today?
Nah, man, I didn't even know you knew I fly drones. Oh, I didn't know you.
I used to film too.
Oh, okay, you used to film? Who used to do your edits? Hey, I need your number, man. Yeah, man. Let me get your phone number, man. I just told my people I need an editor. You might be the one, man. Can help me out with my YouTube channel.
I've seen your drone stuff.
Oh, you seen it? You think you can edit some stuff like that? My drone? Here, man, what's your number? And your name, too. What's your name?
Colin Thomas. I do door slammer racing videos.
George Thomas.
Door slammer.
Door slammer? Okay. I'm gonna go check you out, man. You be seeing the type of videos I be doing?
Yeah, I've seen him.
I bet.
We look up his videos. You'll like his videos.
Okay, and I could, what's your name again?
Colin Thomas.
Collin, and then last name Thomas. Thomas? TH? Okay, I got you. Let me put, editor behind your name. Yeah, man. And you don't do nothing no more, right?
I do a little bit, just here and there.
Oh, okay. All right. He here and there. You cold?
What's that?
Are you cold?
No, we're good.
Oh, you is?
Yeah, we're good.
Man, he ain't got no socks on, yo. He ain't got no sock. What?
It's only like 65.
Man, it's 58. They just...
We're from Washington State originally. It's like 15 degrees right now.
Oh, for real?
Golden right now, yeah. It's good.
Washington State? I ain't been over there. I need to go check it out, man. I'm ready to go somewhere else too, man. I want to go somewhere I don't know nothing. Last time I went to Memphis, and they was like, yeah, you don't want to hang out over here though, man. And then this lady, the Uber driver, she was telling me how they just start robbing people a little bit more in the area. I thought about it. I said, nah, I ain't got shit anyway, but I don't feel like they might get mad I ain't got shit. Damn. I don't want to go out like that. But hey, man, I'm gonna hit you up, Colin, man. See what you could do, man. See what how we can negotiate something. Already. Let me see. I'm in shorts unless it's below 32. Below 32 already. Below 32. He going to Galveston. Oh my gosh, 58. I would be in shorts. Man, somebody hit, man, it probably lower than that now, man.